How is Procter & Gamble company contributing to pollution? Oral presentation, English 3, Angélica Lucía Vargas Pavón. Introduce myself. Why Procter & Gamble contributed to pollution. Describe action to reduce pollution. About myself. Hi, my name is Angélica Vargas. I live in Bogotá. I live with 3 people, my husband, and my 2 children, Stephanie and Jason. I study in the University UNAD, Business Administration, and I also work as secretary at the University Externado de Colombia. I like to listen to music and also read, but what I like to the most is dance. Why Procter & Gamble contributes to pollution. Give reason to Procter & Gamble contribute to pollution. BYG in 2014 had a profit of 11 billion and it is one of the world leading manufacturers of paper and napkin producers and manufactured by sale of goods. Fiber that plant eucalyptus monoculture plantation, acacia, etc. An important thing is to count and recount the real impact that this model causes on population, because the large companies that have the most of the model try to systematically in beating them. Action to reduce pollution. On the water side, the firm innovates why to use steam instead of hot water, performance, equipment, cleaning, helping to save more than 100 million liters of water per year. Weight. Plants to have been classified at Tier Waste Operation to landfill 7 plants in Latin America currently operate under this star. Climate, the large source of production in the shaving care category, and Latin America currently operate with 100 with energy on the agreement signed with group. Thanks.